The dance for this session is rain dance. This is a 32 count 4-wall absolute beginner dance. The choreographer is Argyle, and the music is Rain Dance by Tough Love. She did this dance in the beginning of 2020 when we had the big Australian brush fires devastating that country. So the music has a fairly Aboriginal, I guess, kind of a feel to it. And it's because she's thinking of the Australian crisis that they're having. So, 32 count, beginner dance. Weight on your left foot, you're going to start with a cross point, right and left. So a cross point, you're going to take your right foot forward with a step and point your left foot out. Then you're going to take your left foot forward with a step and point your right foot out. And that's your, so that ends up being a cross point, where you're stepping across your midline with your foot. Now we're going to do a jazz box, ending up with a crossover, cross, side, over, and cross. Then we're going to do a vine to the right, step behind, step, touch. Then we're going to do a basic step to the left, step together, step together. Then we're going to do a rocking chair with our right foot, rock forward, rock back. We're going to do 2/8 of a paddle turns to our left, so our right foot is going to be paddling us around, paddle and paddle. Then we're going to do a hustle step or a basic forward right with a hitch. Step, 2, 3, hitch, back, 2, 3, and point. End of dance. Let's do that to the count, starting with our cross point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hitch, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on this one, when you're doing after the vine to the right, when you're doing that basic to the left, if you want to do a styling of dipping your feet out, going dip and dip, you can do that. I don't do that. It hurts my knees too much, but that is an option. Let's do wall 2 with a step, starting with our cross point. Step, point, jazz box with a cross. Vine, 1, and step together. Rocking chair, paddle turn, walk, 2, 3, hitch, back, 2, 3, point. Okay, so we're going to do waltz 3 and waltz 4 without stopping. I think we're about the speed of the music. I might speed it up just a little bit, starting with our cross point. Step, point, jazz box with a cross. Vine, 2, 3, touch, side together, side, touch. Rocking chair, paddle turn, walk, 2, 3, hitch, back, 2, 3, point. Cross point, jazz box with a cross. Vine, 2, 3, step together, step, touch. Rocking chair, and a paddle, walk, 2, 3, hitch, back, 2, 3, point. There are no tractor restarts on this one. It starts after about 32 counts, and I start counting when they start singing. Or, yeah, singing, I guess. I make the rain come down, I make the sun then come out, watch how the fire burns, I bring the rain and come back, I make the rain come down, I make the sun then come out, watch how the fire burns, 5, 6, 8, cross point, the jazz box come across, watch how the fire burns, step, rocking chair, the paddle turn, watch how the fire burns, 3, hitch, back, I bring the rain, I don't feel no jazz box, one step wide, no it's one step, I bring the rain, make the concept side turn, one step wide, no it's back, I cross point, jazz box, vine, side to the side, rocking chair, paddle turn, walk, 2, 3, hitch,
it's Monday. I vibe, I bring the rain. Make the crowd jump sing. One step more, a little closer. No, it's Monday. I vibe, I make the rain come down. I make the sun and come out. I make the rain come down. 4, 5, 6, 7. I make the sun and come out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I make the rain come down. I make the sun and come out. Watch how the fire there to the side. Rocking chair. I make the sun and come out. Watch how the fire listen it. 5. Rocking chair. Down. Watch how the fire young chair. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Okay, end of dance.